Hi you guys, welcome to Sam's Beauty, where God's Beauty and Sam's Beauty are one of the same. And I had to come on here to let you guys know that my mic wasn't attached to my camera. I'm so sorry. And so I was taping the whole time with it not being in until at the end I realized that it wasn't in. I'm getting old.
Are you serious?
You know, bear with me. So at the end I had to attach this video of the end look to the beginning with sound, just explaining how horrible it is. So I had to fast forward the video. I was talking in it, but because it was so horrible, I had to fast forward. Okay.
Are you stupid or something?
Only the end I let the speaking flow a little bit. I don't think it was as bad as the beginning and the middle, but it's at the end, you know? You know, so it's not as pronounced. So I'm so sorry. Bear with me through this video, and I didn't want to delete it and redo it, you know? So sit back, relax, grab a drink, grab some popcorn if you'd like to see how I got this look. Let's get into the video.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. miles of town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. But you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Again, my final thoughts on this Wet n Wild color icon. I think it's beautiful. What do you guys think?
Daddy, you better get the best for me.
These are the colors again. Beautiful. Beautiful. Most of them are metallic. It's a metallic look. You don't really have. The only con for me is the fact that it doesn't really have enough of the regular matte colors. It's all metallic except this one. That's it. You know, so you can't really do much with it except just to bling out your eyes. But I love it nevertheless. It goes on smooth and it's pigmented. Beautiful. Wow. So you guys, a successful video. I am so happy. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. I love this. And my other video, as I said, I have 2 more, and I'm going to show you when the time comes and incorporate it just like this. All right, you guys. Thank you guys for joining me. It's always good when you guys can keep my company. You know, I hate being out here by myself all alone. So if you love this video, you guys, comment down below and subscribe. And the next step is all you, okay? Please subscribe to my channel, you guys. I just came back and I am so far behind. Okay, I am really trying to get to a certain point by the end of the year, if it's possible. I'll do my job. You guys put in the time and watch me, okay?
Okay.
I would really appreciate it. All right, and now it's time for Psalms Bible Corner. Taken from Psalms 5, verse 1 and 2. Give ear to my words, O Lord. Consider my groaning. Give attention to the sound of my cry, my King and my God. For to you do I pray. This is the word of the Lord. Thanks be to God. That's it, you guys. Love this look. Share it with all your family, your friends, everybody, you guys. And until next time, stay safe. God bless. Know that you're loved. Bye.
Okay, Liz.